There is a false situation that the light will turn to red. The first situation is still have a connector. You see, when here have a connector and the light turn into red, so we need to release the connector and fault cleaning is normal. And the second situation is here, the tap run out of the wire and the light also turn into red. This is the second situation. So we put the tap into the wire and press the fault cleaning. The light turns into yellow. It's normal. And the final situation is also the tap run out of the wire. You see the light is turned into red. This is the fault alarm. And we should put the tap into the wire. And the same to press the fault cleaning. And it is normal again. Thank you.
Hi.